Hey guys, yeah, you can tell I'm on the usual spot up there by the station. I was driving around and then somebody took my spot in the shade. Oh well. Well, anyway.
7 medium clear, Point of Rocks. East on 2, CSX B667-10 Loaded
511, 1, 2. Oh, excuse me. B667-10 eastbound 2-track. Yeah, dang it. It's unclear. This is where I love to have the shade. I don't have to worry about the sun glare. Dang. Alright, I know I got one more train. I got PO30. He should be here roughly 35 minutes-ish. Give or take about a minute. I'm not 100% sure on that for sure, but I know he's on his way.
667 clear, East Rocks. East on 1. CSX T3181 out.
He's on 1, he went. He ain't clear on 2. Unless he went 2 to 1. I don't know. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I didn't see him clear on 1, so. Alright, you guys look good. You guys be safe going east. Going to beddings. Yeah, it looks like he is on 1. Okay. Why didn't Gage go back down? I don't know. Yeah, it went on 1. Oops, sorry. I was sitting on 2. It's gotta be for pure 30. Alright, B667, you guys look good, but safe going eastbound. To beddings. See you guys on the next one.